stop the sake. And hey guys, hello, namaste, sat sri akal. Now this is Ankit Raj, aka Free Man, and here I am again with a new video. But this time this is going to be a series of the video. So first, starting the series of the video, let me introduce first. I have already told that myself Ankit Raj, and I am pursuing my MBBS from the China. Yeah, it was some misfortune that I can't get chance to complete it from the India, but in every misfortune there is a fortune, and now I'm used to it and enjoying it, and hope so everything is going to fine. But now just let's have a travel a lot, because by traveling you will learn a lot. So now start with the journey, and this time I am standing in front of the Taiyuan railway station, and from here I am going to the ZHANGJIAJIE. First I have to take the train for the Changsha, and after that I will change the train for the ZHANGJIAJIE. So now let's come with me and enjoy the journey, and hope so this video is going to be the very useful to you guys, and you will get the information regarding the ZHANGJIAJIE, and in the upcoming time, and you can plan your journey to the ZHANGJIAJIE and have a look of the world longest, highest glass bridge and the AVTAR mountain. Especially AVTAR mountain is more important than the glass bridge. So now let's come and have a join with me. Okay. Finally I am inside the train, and now I am going to the take my seat, and my seat number is 106. 106. Okay, finally I got the seat. Now it's breakfast time. These are the cookies that I got in my canteen. You can see that. अब thank you for that. That's my बात नहीं हाँ मैं उससे कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
Sad song. Party song type. Party song. फिर यहीं पे घुसेड़ दिया. और चांदी खो जाए. सुसु को बुलाएंगे, फिर सुसु को बुलाएंगे.
ना बाबा
हम तुम कमरे में बंद हो.
Yes. The time is 12 o'clock now, and we have started journey at 6:15 earlier in the previous date. That is on 25 July. Now it is 26 July, and I am feeling so sleepy now. In fact, the eyeballs, they just eyelids, they just want to close, and I need a rest now. So see you guys tomorrow early in the morning in the Changsha. Till then, just stay tuned. reached the Changsha railway stations, and I'm going outside of the train. Finally, the two-third journey of the already covered. You can see that so many people they have. It was a very hectic journey. Whole night we were not able to sleep properly, just sleeping and waking. But it's okay. Regarding me, I have slept well because I have a habit of this kind of things. But my friends who were with me, they haven't get a good sleep. Now we have to wait about 3 hours. After 3 hours, we have a train from here, from the ZHANGJIAJIE, and around 11:30. The time is now 8:30, and till 3 hours we have to wait. And one thing also you have to mind that during the journey, just keep your ticket safe, because if you don't keep it, you can't get outside of the train. For this you have to scan it like this, and now it will open. And so it's causing heat that as soon as I need to find a shelter for the 3 hours, and during that hours I need to take rest. You can say that I need to straighten my body, because last 14 hours I'm just sitting at a single place, at a single seat. But I am now inside the railway station of the Changsha, and behind me you are seeing the portrait, and that portrait I think mountain range. In fact, the destinations where we are going. So just now I have reached the waiting hall area. I have to wait here for the 2 hours or 3 hours because my train is at 11:30, and you can see that this is the waiting hall. And one more thing regarding when you're going to the waiting hall, you should be careful that just to find out your train, that what's the train number, and in fact outside the train stations on the LED display it will be written that on which waiting hall area you need to go. So be careful about that, because we come to the waiting hall number 1, but our train will come to the waiting hall number 3. That's why we have make a mistakes, and so we have to go outside and sit in that waiting. Now it's time to catch the train. You can see that on the LED display they have shown the T810. So the queue is for the T810, and I have already told you that tickets are very mandatory and very important while traveling to China, because if you lost the ticket, then it will be you have to face the problem, because on the ticket they have a QR code like this. QR code like this. This is very important. You have to scan. Then
请取堵住政府。
Now let's move towards the platform. Look at this man, he is so excited because we have a sleeper ticket, and
I haven't slept.
and he haven't slept the whole night. Yeah, he hasn't slept the whole night. whole night he was doing liao thiao. I'm not going to tell you about that. Just now I've reached the ZHANGJIAJIE railway station, and the view is awesome, the weather is awesome. So I think somehow the Almighty is with us. Almighty. So let's see. And now we are going to find out the hotel, and the journey was so hectic. I've told you that from the 24 hours we were in the train, but now it's okay. Because finally we have reached our destinations, and we have slept well for the last 5 hours. One more thing regarding the sea trip booking, you just have to ask the hotel. If you are booking any kind of hotels, then first call to the hotels and ask the management that whether they are allowed to keep the foreigners or not. And if they say yes, they keep the foreigners, then it's okay, you can book the hotels. But most of the times you can face a trap there. In fact, that is not the sea trip fault, that is the Chinese government management. In fact, last time when I was in Qingdao, however, I haven't faced such kind of the problem, but a lot of my friends were saying that यार मैंने बुक किया होटल सी ट्रिप से, बट वहाँ जाने के बाद पता चला कि फॉरेनर को रख ही नहीं रहे हैं. So in fact, to save yourself from such kind of the problems, just ask or confirm that whether they are allowing you to stay or not. That's why I'm saying it again and again. So that's why I hope so. Yeah, you have got it, and now I'm going to show. Just after coming outside of the railway stations, I was finding the hotels. But regarding the hotels, you are just seeing the hotel behind me. I went there and it was charging about 289 yuan for one day. It will give you the three beds. But I thought it is somehow costly because I have to stay here the 4 nights. It means the per person I have to pay about 375 yuan for the tour. So I think little bit will cost here. So now I have booked another hotel just 800 meters from the 800 meters from the railway stations. Yeah, it's okay, 800 meters. So it means that there is a conclusion that don't take hotels near to the railway station or near to the any big locations, because always they are going to be the costlier. So just always walk somehow here and there, just move your feet. Don't go for the bread and butters, because life is not a bread and butter, man. You have to go through, you have to cook it, and there is no free lunch. Just keep in mind. So just now I am heading toward the hotel, and hope so the hotel is going to the beautiful, and a lot of the market is here. I'm not going to face any kind of the problem. That hotels, and our friends have already seen that room is very good and they liked it. So in fact, how much I have to pay? 512 yuans for the 4 nights. I think it's a सस्ता नहीं कहीं मिलने वाला है bro. Just come and stay. Bas you have to walk. Don't think about that. You will get all the things in your plate. So we are doing here.
यहाँ पे कोई आना चाहे तो इस होटल में ठहरे। बहुत सस्ता होटल है।
He is sponsoring the hotel now, brand ambassador of the hotel, and we are doing some paperwork here. For this, yeah, we need a passport and all the things. And so finally, I am in the room, and this is the end of the day. And soon, see you soon on the next video on the next day. And especially the locations of these awesome place, must visiting place of the China, that is the ZHANGJIAJIE. And bye bye, see you, love you.